Learners. So today we're going to do another activity with your name. I know we've been talking about our name a lot, and Miss Hake has been talking about the formation of the letters in your name, if they're straight, if they're curved. Today we're actually going to make our name into a puzzle. So you can use, one thing about this program, you do not have to spend a lot of money. You use the resources that you have. So recycling is a #1 resource. So you can use, I just have this box here, cereal boxes work great, and I've cut out one of the sides. So it's a little bit thicker than paper. So this is a good idea. Or you can use a piece of paper or construction paper, whatever you want. So what you're going to do is you're going to make your name. And I've got some markers here. You can use whatever you want. And I'm going to use a few different colors. Maybe I'll make a pattern. So M. And I'm going to use uppercase. M. R. So purple, green, purple, green, purple, green. Ooh, it's tight. If you have a long name, you might want to make your letters a little bit smaller. So there I have my name made, Mrs. Mann, and I used an A-B pattern. Purple, green, purple, green, purple, green, purple, green. And I'm going to just keep adding some colors to this. So put some of this on the edge. You might want to add some flowers or rainbows. You make it your own. Adding some different lines. We're going to be talking about different lines this week too. So maybe I'll do a curvy line there. And then maybe I'll do a zigzag up there. So my zigzag and my curvy. And maybe I'll make some dashes down here. And some dashes. And almost looking like a big Easter egg. Okay, so here I have my name. It's kind of decorated up. And now we're going to make it into a puzzle. Okay, so we're not going to make very many pieces. We want to make this kind of an easy puzzle. And we're just going to make some straight lines. Okay, so when you're using the scissors, your thumb is up. You're holding on to your item with your other hand. And this is how we turn as we cut. So I'm just going to make some straight lines. Go up here. Maybe I'm going to make another straight line to make this into 2 pieces. So now we have 2 pieces to our puzzle. Make another straight line. Oh, I made a big triangle. So these are just straight across. I made 2 more pieces, and then we have 1 big one left. I'm just going to make that into 2 pieces. So let's count how many pieces we have to this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they've all got straight lines because we cut straight across. So now the fun part is you can put it together. You made your very own puzzle. So let me see. You have to use the clues that you have. So I put these purple triangles in the corner, so I know that those are my corner pieces. And I know I made a wavy line, so I'm putting my wavy line together. Ta-da, Mrs. Mann. Let me turn, I should have done it upside down. Let me turn this around. Look at that. Made your very own puzzle. So you just need a little Ziploc bag and put your pieces in there so you don't lose them. So there you go. Have fun making your name, decorating it the way you want, and see if somebody else can put your name together. Have fun.